If you'd like to see how I'm going to take these Dollar Tree household cleaning items and products and put them into this gift basket and add a little bit of bling to them quickly, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I am going to attempt to, for the first time, put together a basket. So I'm actually kind of in a hurry. I was supposed to have did this the other night, and I just want to show you guys a quick gift idea that you can make for someone. A basket for a housewarming gift. So it's a housewarming / graduation party. A homegirl of mine just graduated from nursing school, and she just bought a house not long ago. So to whip something up real quick and cool, I just decided to make a basket with household items like dish liquid. You can use dish liquid, you can use soap, paper towels. I have some toothpaste here. I have these Kirkland paper towels from Costco. If you shop at Costco, shout out to you, because I feel like they have the best paper towels and toilet paper. That's what this is. And then I didn't post the video for this yet, but I have this lovely big old Sutter Home wine bottle. She likes wine too. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get this to fit in the basket, but I'm gonna try. But just because I'm a little extra, I'm going to add a little bit of bling. Now, I told you I'm in a crunch for time, so I'm not gonna be just doing it stone by stone. I have this lovely rhinestone adhesive paper, and this comes in handy. I've already wiped these off with alcohol, so we're gonna see how they're gonna adhere to this. Then I'll go ahead and show you how I'm gonna put everything in this Dollar Tree basket or a little storage bin and see how we can put it together and make it look cute. So what I'm going to do is cut a couple rows. So I cut a strip like this, and I should be able to get this to go on here. Remind you, I'm in a crunch for time. This might be a little extra, and this is completely optional. You don't have to go this far, but I wanted to do this, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just gonna cut this out, because if I had more time and I wanted to be real specific about it, what I would do personally, I would have went over this yellow cap with probably some yellow rhinestones. So I'm gonna cut that like that. This is a little rigid, so we'll see how this sticks on here. Let's see, is that long enough? I cut it a little short. Okay, so I cut it to fit around this top. And actually, I don't have to cover the whole top up. This is 6 rolls. I'm gonna cut it in between. Now what I'm going to do is pull off the backing. So there's this little backing sheet. You pull that off just like that. I'm just gonna kind of line this up in the middle. Go right around in a circle. Cut off the extra. Just like that. And I'm gonna do the rest. Okay, so as you can see, I've added the adhesive rhinestone paper. I've added some adhesive rhinestone to these household products just to jazz them up and give them a very cute, sparkly presentation. You can go extra if you want to and bling the whole bottle out. I'll pass on that, but I think this just gave it just enough. It did something for me. So let's go ahead and start to put this basket together. The embellishments added that we have, I'm gonna go ahead and start to fill this up and just kind of see what looks cute. I'm gonna take the paper towels, use this kind of like as a riser. I don't think, yeah, I don't think that's gonna go. And this is very heavy, and I don't want anything to happen to this. This all is plastic and paper, so I don't, this will be fine. As long as the tops are on really good, yeah, this will be fine. Make sure those are on good. I'm going to take this and kind of, if I can, there we go, use that as a backdrop. Okay, let's see. I think, how's that gonna go? All right, I'm gonna just put these in here, kind of see how they fit in here. Hold on back. How did I have them here before? Okay, you guys, this is how I have it set up in here so far. Or maybe it can go straighter up. Then I'm going to put the toothpaste right here in front. Just something simple, you guys. Something really simple. I don't have the cute plastic to put on here. Yeah, I don't have the cute plastic. I'm gonna have to improvise. And I'm going to just get a cute bag to put this beautiful wine bottle in. And I'll be back when I get the plastic. So I didn't have a bow. So what's the next best thing I could think of in a crunch for time? Balloons. So I decided to just cluster up some balloons, and I'm going to attach them to my little basket that I'm making, just to make my gift basket look more exciting and add more color to it. And you know, there was no bow, so I thought this was a cool idea. Now, I had these wine bottle gift bags. I got these off Amazon. I think they were probably about $12 for 14 bags. So that's what I'm going to put the big bottle of wine in, because that didn't fit in the basket. But if you make a basket, remind you, you can just put your items in a bigger basket to fit more items inside of it. So consider that as well. I'm gonna add this in here. I forgot I had these. And I have this little extra piece that's cut out, and I'm just gonna add that to it. You know, why not? Hand sanitizer, who can't use hand sanitizer? Okay, I'm just trying to take my time here and put everything into position and see what fits where, just to kind of see what looks good. Next time I'll just use a bigger basket. When I carried this, things were just slightly wobbly, but it was just so cute. Second bottle of hand sanitizer, because I feel like I have a little space right here, and I just kind of want it to be even on both sides. And I already have this little cutout here, so I'm gonna add that. And so I have my little pre-cut piece here. And just go ahead and give that a nice firm push. You can still open it up, of course. And it's so cute and so sparkly. And who can't use hand sanitizer around their nice new home, you know? So that's how we have that. And the only plastic that I could find was this plastic right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to politely just tear it along the seam and try my best to neatly cover up the basket. I made this open wide like this. So this is the best that I can do. I'm just gonna tape this down, okay, you guys? I'm gonna use my little tape here, my little Dollar Tree tape. tape down the front of this plastic. I'm gonna turn my basket around, tape the plastic down in the back. And this is just a little thin poly bag. You would put like a t-shirt or something in that you made for someone, or whatever you want to put in there. And I got those from Amazon. Now I wish I had a bow, and I don't have anything for the sides, but I just wanted to have that little clear covering, you know. And I couldn't fit this in there, but I did have a wine bottle bag to put her wine in, so that's separate. And it has this cute sturdy, but I'm gonna tie a knot in this just in case to make it even more sturdy, so it doesn't just pull through the holes, if you know what I mean. You know how those gift bags can be kind of flimsy, so I'm gonna put a knot there because I don't want for this to just fall when I'm walking up to her home. It has beads in here, but I'm gonna make it even more secure. Okay, you guys, so I would have liked to have had like a huge, cute bow to put on top, but you know what? I don't have a bow, so I'm gonna improvise. I have some fish hook string or fish hook line. I was watching someone's video on how to make balloon arrangements, and this is what they had. It's clear, you really can't see it, so I just put a cluster of 4 balloons together. Let me try to zoom out so you can see this a little better. And I'm just gonna kind of tie this together, these 4 balloons, because you know balloons make stuff look exciting. That's why people always have balloons at their events. So when people walk in and they see all the balloons, it's like a big wow factor. So, and plus it's a special occasion, you know. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply go through the side. There's little holes on the side of this basket here. And all I'm going to do, I shouldn't have cut it so short. Should have kept it a little bit longer, but that's okay. I'm gonna take the string through one of the holes, kind of twist it around, because what I'm trying to do is just tie it on to my basket, so it can just be a decoration. To me, it's gonna be like a big bow. It's not a bow, but it's gonna serve the purpose of being like a bow. But I want it to be kind of tight on here, or tight enough. Okay, so I got it on one side. Now I'm just gonna turn it to the other side and do the same thing. Okay, I'm just clustering up my balloons real nice and tight, just to fix it nice and cute on the side so that they're even and that it just looks cute. So I'm actually almost finished, you guys, and this is not a bad idea. I use Dollar Tree household products. Okay, so here is the final result of my quick, easy, semi-blinged housewarming gift basket. I think this is so cute. This, like I said, is something you can do when you're in a crunch for time. I use rhinestone adhesive sheets. I will have a link available where you can purchase these. And they added the cutest little amount of bling just to add some excitement. I mean, anybody can just throw some things in a basket and try to patch it together. But if you just go that extra step and just add a little bit of bling, it does just make it more exciting. So she really did enjoy this. And this wine bottle, I do have this video up already. And it's in my playlist of my wine bottles and liquor bottles, rhinestone and blinged. So be sure to check that out. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or if you did enjoy it. Share this video on Facebook if possible. Subscribe if you want to. If not, thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.